Greetings, my friends. Today I am in Tulum, Mexico, at a yoga palapa. Bringing you a quick 10-minute flow, perfect for when you wake up in the morning just to get a quick stretch or to close out your evening. This is an all levels class, but take breaks as needed. Listen to your body, find variations that best suit you, and note you can pause the video at any point in time. Go ahead and grab your mat, some water, find a comfortable space inside or maybe even outside. And let's get started. Beginning our class today in a seated position. Inhale, reach the arms high. Exhale, cactus, shine your heart towards the ceiling or sky. Inhale, reach the arms high. Exhale, hands come to heart center. Thumbs press to the chest, palms press, all 10 fingertips. Connect to your breath. Full inhale through the nose. Open mouth, exhale, sigh it out, let it go. Bring your hands to your knees. Inhale, shine your heart forward, arch the back, lean the head. Exhale, tuck the chin, round the spine. Inhale, shine forward, arch the back. Exhale, tuck the chin, round the spine. Inhale, shine forward. Exhale, tuck and round. Last one. Inhale, shine forward. Exhale, tuck and round. Coming back to our seated position. We're going to pretend our torso is a spoon, hips are a bowl. Begin to lean towards the right, circling to the back, to the left, to the front. Nice full rotations here, warming up the spine. Take it the opposite direction, like you're stirring the bowl or you are crafting a pot. Holding through the body, opening up the spine. Nice work. Shift the legs to the side, making your way to a tabletop position. Hands and knees to the earth. Shoulders directly over the wrists, hips directly over the knees. Nice flat back. Inhale, drop the belly, lift the gaze, lift the tailbone, cow pose. Exhale, tuck the chin, round the spine, push the earth away from you, cat. Inhale, cow. Exhale, cat, tuck and round. Inhale, cow, drop the belly, lift the gaze. Exhale, cat, tuck the chin, round the spine. Inhale, come back to center. Curl your back toes under, press into your palms, lift the knees 2 inches from the earth, hovering tabletop. Inhale, lightly shift forward. Exhale, shift back, sink the glutes towards the heels. Warming up the wrists. Inhale, shift forward. Exhale, glutes towards the heels. One more. Inhale, shift forward. Exhale, glutes to heels. Full inhale. Exhale, downward facing dog, send the glutes up and back. Begin to pedal into the feet, bending into one knee as you straighten through the other. Closing the eyes, acknowledging what sensations arise. Slight micro bend into the elbows as you let your head pour down towards the earth. Inhale, lift the heels. Exhale, lower. Calf warm up. Inhale, lift. Exhale, lower. Inhale, lift. Pull the core tight. Exhale, lower. Inhale, lift your right heel high, 3-legged dog. Flex through your right glute. Toes point towards the earth. Option here to rotate out your foot by circling out the foot, opening up into the ankle, acknowledging the little pops and cracks. Bend into your knee. Exhale, knee towards nose. Stamping the foot to the earth, low lunge. Hop your back foot up 1 foot. Slightly straighten through your front knee, pyramid pose. Slight micro bend into that front knee. Inhale, little lift of the chest, and exhale, fold. Following the breath here, on your inhale, find little lifts of the chest. On your exhale, begin to surrender and sink towards the earth. Once again, having a slight micro bend into that back knee is going to help open up through the hamstrings and through the quad. Inhale, right heel high, three-legged dog. Bend into your right knee, stacking the right hip over the left. Option to gaze underneath the armpit, saying hello to your foot, maybe even waving hi. Inhale, re-lengthen the right foot. Exhale, lower downward facing dog. Switching sides, inhale, left heel high. Option to roll out the foot by circling, opening up through the ankle. Exhale, knee towards nose, stepping the foot between both hands. Step your back foot up 1 foot, coming into your pyramid pose. Option to slightly micro bend into your front knee. Both feet are facing forward. Once again, inhales lift, and exhale surrender to the earth. Press into the palms, inhale left heel high. Begin to stack your left hip over your right as you bend into your left knee, maybe even saying hello to your foot from underneath the armpit, pressing into the palms. Inhale, left heel high. Exhale, downward facing dog. Slowly walk the hands back towards the feet, coming into a forward fold. Deeply bend the knees, let your head pour down towards the earth like a waterfall as you grab opposite elbows, setting up for ragdoll pose. Option to have the knees straightened or have the knees slightly bent, opening up through the hamstrings. Deeply bend the knees, release the hands to the earth. Inhale, rise, reaching the arms overhead, extended mountain. Exhale, hands come to heart center. Inhale, reach the arms high, extended mountain. Exhale, cactus the arms, shine your heart forward. Inhale, reach the arms high. Exhale, hinge at the hips, lead with the heart, forward fold. Walk the hands out to a plank pose, shoulders stacked over wrists. Full inhale. Exhale, tricep lower 2 inches from the earth. Inhale, uncurl the toes, upward facing dog. Exhale, downward facing dog, send the hips up and back. Inhale, right heel high. Exhale, bend the knee, low lunge. Stamp your foot between both hands, front knee stacked over front ankle. Inhale, reach the arms high, crescent pose. Front knee stacked over front ankle, slight micro bend into your back knee. Full inhale. On your exhale, pivot your back foot till it's parallel with the back of the mat, arms open up into a T. Inhale, flip the palms up, and exhale them down, realigning the shoulders, keeping depth in your lunge. Inhale, straighten your front knee. Exhale, hinge forward, right hand comes to calf, block, or earth as your left arm shoots up towards the ceiling, coming into your triangle pose. Inhale, reverse triangle, right arm lifts, gaze follows. Exhale, windmill the arms, frame your front foot, low lunge. Step back, optional chaturanga, or meet in your downward facing dog. Inhale, left heel high, second side. Exhale, low lunge. Inhale, rise, crescent. Fingertips slightly roll inward, shoulders are relaxed from the ears. Full inhale. Exhale, warrior 2, pivot and open. Front knee is still stacked over front ankle. Core is engaged. Inhale, front knee straightens. Exhale, left hand comes to ankle, calf, or block. Right arm shoots high, triangle pose. Inhale, reverse triangle, left arm lifts, gaze follows. Exhale, windmill the arms, low lunge. Step back to your plank pose, optional chaturanga, or meet in downward facing dog. Inhale, gaze forward towards your fingertips. Exhale, bend the knees, hop forward, forward fold. Inhale, halfway lift. Exhale, fold. Deeply bend the knees. Inhale, rise, extended mountain, both arms reach. Exhale, hands meet at heart center. Bring your big toes to touch, sliver of space between your heels. Inhale, bend the knees, sweep the fingertips across the earth, chair pose. Exhale, cactus the arms, shine your heart proud. Inhale, chair. Exhale, stoop the fingertips back, drinking bird. Optional, lift your heels. Inhale, chair, lower the heels, biceps by the ears. Bring your hands in line with the shoulders. And exhale, slowly lower your glutes towards your heels. Inhale the arms wide. Exhale, give your knees a big hug. Use your hands to slowly lower your glutes to a seat. Keeping a bend in the knees, go ahead and lift the flats of the feet of the earth, coming into a boat pose. Nice flat back, core is tight. Full inhale. Exhale, straighten through the knees, hover your low back to the earth, low boat. And exhale, lower back to earth. Inhale, full body stretch, extend the arms long, point the toes, become as long as you can, like you're an elastic band, being pulled in both directions. Exhale, bring your knees into your chest. Your arms into a T, full inhale. Exhale, bring your knees to the right as your gaze goes to the left, supine twist. Optional, place your hand on top of your knees. Inhale, center. Exhale, opposite side. Knees go to the left, gaze goes to the right. Inhale, center. Open up the knees, bring your flats of feet to touch. And slowly lower the heels and toes to the earth as you keep your knees open like they're pages of a book. Hands can either be by the side, palms face up, or place your hands onto your stomach, acknowledging the natural breath. With every inhale, the lift. And every exhale, the pull back towards the spine, the sinking, the lowering. Option to keep the hands on the body or by the side. Extend your left foot to the left corner, right foot to the right corner, making our way into our final Shavasana of class. I invite you to pause the video here, put on one of your favorite songs, and tune out and take as much time here as you'd like. Now, if you're ready to get out of Shavasana, take an inhale, full body stretch, become nice and long. Make your way towards a seated position, closing out with one more full intentional breath. Your teacher in me honors and values the teacher that rests within each one of you. Thank you so much for joining me on the mat. If you enjoyed this class and found it helpful, please like, subscribe, and leave a comment. I'll see you next class. Namaste.